In today's quick video, we're going from yellow engine lights to more modern white engine lights. I know they do slightly look greenish on camera, they're actually white. The color is mostly just as it appears here on camera. So this part doesn't actually go green like that. As you can imagine, it's very difficult to film how headlights look. So I had to start the car and get full headlight on, engine light and the headlight as well. As you can see, it definitely looks much better on the left than it does on the right. No more yellow. So let me show you how to upgrade your bulbs. It's very easy, shouldn't take you more than 5 minutes total. Since these cars are not really designed to have white engine lights, like some of the more modern cars, you'll have to get yourself an LED kit. I got this one on Amazon for about 30 bucks. It comes with the resistors, so you don't get a code on your dash. It doesn't bug you every time you start the car, so that's really good. Comes with the LED. Should be very easy to install. Let me show you how it's done. The ones you want to look for are called H8 LEDs. You can, go on Amazon or eBay or any of those sites. I'll also include a couple links in the description if you want to see which ones I got or what I would recommend. Let's get to it. All we have to do is open this cover. This is the front of the headlight, so the cover is just right there. Now, using a flathead, you want to gently unlatch these clips on the side, this one, and on this side as well. And lightly pull on it so it comes out. There you go. Put that to the side. Now we want to take this off. This is the actual bulb in here. So we're just going to push it away from us. There it is. The bulb comes out. These are still in good condition, so I wouldn't throw them away. Just keep them in the car just in case, the cheap LEDs go bad. Of course, you can get a very good expensive set of LEDs, but keep these in the car just in case. Now the next step would be to simply install the equivalent bulb. Okay. Now I'm gonna twist it left once I feel that it's in place. It's a little bit difficult to tell, but here it is. There it is. Twist left until it locks in. So you want it this way. Don't lose this connector. Now we're simply going to plug in the rest of the stuff. There you go. That's plugged in. Hide that stuff in the back. Make sure it's not in the way of anything. Plug this in. Make sure it's locked. There you go. Put the cover back on. That's it. Done. As you can see, both of them are now changed. As I mentioned earlier, it does look a little green on camera, but it does not look green in person. It looks like pure white. So I think it's a success. Hope you guys liked the quick tutorial on how to change your bulbs and at the same time upgrade them to a nice white color.